Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna jump right into this look. I'm gonna fill in my brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. Then I'm going to take a spoolie brush and brush through to make sure that there are no harsh lines and everything is well blended. After that, I'm gonna clean up my brows using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn and an angled brush. I'm just gonna conceal my brows and clean them up a bit. I'm also going to use what's left of that concealer I squeezed out and use it as a primer for my eyelids for my eyeshadow. Then I'm going to take my beauty sponge and I'm going to blend out that concealer over my eyelids, and I'm just singing there, you know the drill. And yeah, we're gonna use a taupe colored eyeshadow from Ardell, and I'm gonna just put that all over my lid, and I'm using a Morphe 401 brush. I'm just gonna put all of that over my lid. Then I'm gonna go into this Makeup Geek shadow called Cocoa Bear, and I'm gonna use an e.l.f. crease brush, and I'm going to alternate between putting that into my crease and the Ultra V of my eyes. Then I'm gonna take my black liquid eyeliner and draw a slight cat eye today, and then I'm going to be using a colored eyeliner, as you will see shortly, to get that bold graphic liner look. So today I'm using the LA Girl Pro Artist Body Art Liner, and I think that shade is called Kaleidoscopic, and it's just this really neon yellow shade. So I'm just gonna draw that above the dark line I would have done with the black eyeliner. Then I'm gonna use some lashes that I've had for a while, and I would have reconstructed them, and I'm just gonna put some duo lash glue on them, and I'm gonna put them on my eyes. And y'all know the drill with me on the lashes. Surprisingly, one went on really well today, and then all hell broke loose on the other eye, but y'all know what happens with this already. We know what goes on. And guys, if you see me talking during this video, I would have been talking to my boyfriend. He came in while I was doing my makeup, so that's why you're seeing me talking to someone. I'm not crazy, I promise. Yeah, so now that we're trying to get it on this eye, it starts giving hell, so I'm just trying my best to get them on. Here we are, talking to him. He came to show me something on his phone. So let's try that again. Yay, happy dance. So then I'm going to use my L'Oreal Miss Manga mascara to blend in my lashes with the lashes. Then I'm going to use my Sasha mattifying primer on my face to prime my face for my foundation. And today I am going to be using my MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation in NC50. You know, that's what I use normally. And today I didn't put out as much. I had to go back and re-add, but you know that's a normal thing for me. Having to... Well, it's not a normal thing for me. Anyway, I'll be quiet now. Right, so I'm going to use that same technique I used the last time to apply my foundation because I really liked how that looked. And I'm going to use my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush to blend out my foundation. And then today for highlighting, I am going to be using the Revlon Color Stay Foundation in the shade Caramel to do my under eye highlight. I did this in my last makeup tutorial and I told you guys I really liked how it looked, so I'm gonna be doing it again. So here I went back in with my NC50, sorry, I don't know what's going on with me today. But yeah, and I used my beauty sponge to blend everything all over my face. So I'm going in with the Revlon Color Stay, my clean concealer brush, and I'm gonna put that underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, my chin, my forehead, and the sides of my mouth. And I'm gonna use my blending sponge to blend all of that in. I really like how this looks, guys. And I'm gonna take my Sacha Buttercup powder and just use my expert face brush to apply that powder under my eyes and brush it away immediately, and use the remainder of it on the brush on my chin. Then I'm gonna go into my Sleek Contour Kit and contour with my e.l.f. blush brush right there, just to give my face some more structure, my jawline and around my hairline. Today I'm going to be doing some reverse contouring. I'm also going to be using that highlight shade from the Sleek Contour Kit, and normally it's a bit dry, so what I did, I applied it and then I sprayed my face with my Sacha Fix It spray, and then I went back in with the highlight just to make it pop a little more. Then I used my blending sponge again. Today I'm going to be using Sacha's Intense Lip Velvet in the shade TMI. It's this neon orange, it's really bright. So I'm going to just apply it like that, then I'm going to line my lips with a brown lip pencil. I think this one is from NYX and the name of it is Cappuccino. And that's it for the finished look. So now I am just blending my hair with my wig. And that's it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick get ready with me. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.